Hey there, digital dreamers and web wizards. I'm Jocelyn, the visual storytelling maestro here at ClikIT. Welcome to our little corner of the internet, the ClikIT WordPress YouTube channel. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the wonderland of web design and development. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another WordPress channel? Yawn. But hold on to your pixels, folks, because we're not your average tech talkers. At ClikIT, we don't just build websites. We craft digital experiences that'll make your visitors' jaws drop faster than you can say responsive design. Picture this: you're a small business owner, drowning in a sea of online mediocrity. Or maybe you're a creative genius, desperate to showcase your masterpieces to the world. Well, my friends, consider us your digital lifeguards, ready to rescue you from the depths of boring websites and outdated designs. What's on the menu? 1. Get ready for a smorgasbord of content that'll make your inner geek do a happy dance. WordPress wizardry that'll have you coding like a pro, or at least faking it convincingly. 2. The hottest web tech trends, because nobody likes a digital dinosaur. 3. Tutorials so easy. Even your grandma could build a killer website. No offense, Nana. But here's the kicker. We're not just here to talk at you. Oh no. We're building a community of digital dynamos. Think of us as the Avengers of the web world, assembling to conquer the internet one pixel at a time. So, what do you say? Are you ready to level up your online game? Smash that subscribe button like it owes you money. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're rolling in website traffic and impressing clients with your mad skills. But wait, there's more. I have always wanted to say that. We want to hear from you, yes you, the person reading this right now. What keeps you up at night in the digital realm? What WordPress woes are haunting your dreams? Spill the tea in the comments below, and we'll whip up some content that'll solve your problems faster than you can say, plug-in conflict. Remember, in the world of web design, we're all in this together. So let's join forces, break some digital boundaries, and create websites so beautiful, they'll make the internet weep tears of joy. Ready to become a web design superhero? You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and let's make some digital magic together.